Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and this is a really weird thing, and I want y'all to comment below if you know why this works. So see, I've got that spoon on the side of my pot of boiling water where I'm boiling some corn. Now traditionally, that water may boil over. That water may boil out of the pot. But for some reason, when I put that spoon above the boiling water, it seems to prevent the water from boiling over. So what's going on here? I don't understand why it works, but it does work. It's really weird. Comment below and tell me what you think. I'm excited to hear what you say. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.